welcome back. Today we are in Mountville, PA. We are at Pete's RV. We're going to look at this Jayco Eagle. This is the 27 RS. Let's take a look. If you watch any of our videos, we always like to start up front on the outside with a storage area. Pretty decent storage area. This is a fairly tiny fifth wheel, so pretty good storage for it being so tiny. You do have two 30-pound propane tanks, and this is a 4-point electric auto level system. Looking up, you have an awning that starts at the very front of the fifth wheel and goes just past the door. You have a step above step. You have nice Goodyear Eagle tires, or endurance tires, I should say, with a CRE 3000. Here's a place for you to put an outdoor TV, right? There's a hook up there for it right away, or you can use it for storage. Moving around to the back. Your ladder is mounted here permanently. You are pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera, and there is a utility hitch if you want to put a rack on the back. Coming around to this side, there's just one slide. All of your hookups are up here towards the front. Your sewer connection is right here. Your power connection is right here. And your water connection, as well as your pulls for your tanks, is right here. Subsequently, this is also the other side of that main storage area and your second 30-pound propane tank. So let's take a look at the numbers. This has a gross vehicle weight of 10,995 pounds, so just under 11,000 pounds empty, and a cargo carrying capacity of 1,741 pounds. Your controller, by the way, for your level system is right here, right inside this bay, as well as your electric reset switch. Moving around to the front, here is your utility cabinet. At least that's what I call it, because if you want to mount a generator, it would go right here. Your batteries go right here. And so if you're not going to have a generator, you can use this for extra storage. And you do also have a Kurt turning point pin box. So let's go look at the inside. So as you come in, there's a really nice, comfortable, very quaint living, dining, kitchen area. Lisa and I walked in here a few minutes ago and we're like, oh, this is really neat. And so you have theater chairs that are over here with your little TV tray sort of things that come in and out. So if you don't want to use them, you can put them away. But if you want to use them while you're watching TV, you can do that. These are manual recliners. So you just pull the little lever and you're now relaxing watching the TV. To my right is a sofa. I almost call it a sectional. A sofa. I don't think it's quite exactly the width of a sofa, but I think it's a little bit bigger than a love seat. And this does convert to be a bed. You have some end tables or nightstands here with power and USB, and they're on both sides. There's also cabinetry above my head, so there's plenty of room for storing stuff up there. Okay, directly across from the recliners is your TV area. And this TV is actually on a swivel, so you can move it over here too if you want to angle it more towards the sofa. See a nice 30-inch Furrion fireplace for warming Lisa's tiny, freakishly cold feet.
Freakishly tiny cold feet.
Yeah, I know, something like that. And a JBL sound system built in as well. And that sort of, there's some cabinetry up above here, as you can see as well. All right. And this sort of leads right into the kitchen area, which is a nice island to start.
Yeah, I like this. So you have this nice island. You've got a 50-50 sink. You've got the tall faucet. And then over here on the side, we do have 3 drawers. There's 2 short and 1 tall drawer. And underneath, we have...
Nice. There's a shelf there. It's hard to see because it's dark. And that's
there is a shelf there.
Place for your garbage can.
Yeah. Now behind me here, we have our Furrion refrigerator freezer. That is 12 volt.
You know, it's deceptively large. That's the same size refrigerator that we have in our RV. And man, we can cram some food in there.
It certainly can.
Lisa can, at least.
Yes. So we have some countertop space over here, which is really nice. Not on both sides, but it is here on the side. We do have a 3-burner stove. We've got an oven. There's storage underneath, as well as next to. And then that goes all the way back to...
There is power up here too, guys, right there. So if you're putting any electric appliances there, there's power there. There is also, let's see if there's power here on the There's power right here on the front of the island.
And let's not forget the microwave.
Nice.
That is a nice, large microwave and some storage on the side of that as well.
This is a traditional type residential looking dinette where you have 4 chairs. For sure the other 2 are up underneath the bed. There's a leaf that comes out so you can seat 4 people here comfortably. I like the table over the bench sort of system.
I think I do too.
Of course, you lose a little storage with that.
You do, but you know, you gain the mobility of the seats, so you can bring them around if you need extra seating.
That's true. That's
Absolutely.
True. There's a nice food pantry here too, guys.
I know. Look at this.
All right. The shelves are not adjustable, but that's all right. But they are solid as a rock.
They certainly are. Yes.
And you have additional storage here. Now, this can be either this shelf here goes up. So you could use this for hanging jackets and stuff, because remember, the door is right here, and there's sort of a spot underneath there for your shoes. So you can use this however you want to use it. I like the fact that it's sort of convertible, if you will.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
So that's nice.
Yeah.
And then you also have cabinets up here, and then there's another one up there, and you have a nook up top.
Love it.
All right, let's go up to the front. Uh-oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
If this is your first time watching one of our videos, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around this RV. Also, do us a huge favor, give the video a thumbs up if you're finding it really informational. And you know what? Subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of RV reviews, and if you're into RVing, come join the Tall Man clan. We thank you very much from the bottom of our heart. All right, so I am sitting on a porcelain foot flush toilet. The toilet is angled this way, which makes my left leg sort of not in the most comfortable position. It's not horrible. Now, you could turn yourself, but if you turn yourself on the toilet, it'll feel real on your buns because, you know, the toilet seat's sort of contoured for you to be this way. So, you know, if they had just turned it this way, just a little bit, it would have been better. Okay, right across from me, you do have your sink, nice under countermount sink, faucet, tiled backsplash. We have some storage underneath, which is really generous. Nice medicine cabinet there. Okay, now since we talked about height, well, as you can see, I'm actually not standing 100% upright. I'm almost there. So if you're my height, 6'4", you're gonna have to walk around up here, kind of squished down a little bit, okay? And then a gigantic closet here, which actually connects into the master through another door. There's a hanging rod up here that you can see. So I might put towels down at the bottom and use this for clothing up top, I guess. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's try this shower, guys, because I have some height issues. But, oh, guess what? There is I call it a bubble, a skylight right here, so my head's in it. You could be 6'7" max standing in this bubble, all right? Decent size shower, looks like your standard 36 by 30 type RV shower. Got a couple shelves in the front, back, glass doors. Yeah, decent shower, and the fact that the bubble's there is perfect, all right? Let's move into the bedroom. All right, so let's get a measurement on this bed, Lisa.
All right.
I feel it's a residential queen, but I don't know. 60? It's going to be residential queen.
I totally agree.
Yep, 60. Yep, 60 by 80. So residential queen.
Love that.
All right, I know you guys like to see me jump on here, and I haven't done it in a while, but I will. But it's a residential queen, so if you've got a queen at home, you know what a queen looks like. So plenty of room for 2 people. Yes, my feet hang off the bottom just a little bit. That's kind of how I am because, you know, I have a couple pillows up here, right? So my feet will always be off at the bottom.
That's what happens when you're 6'4".
That it is. Now, if I curled up into a ball, it'd be okay. There's some storage underneath there. There's your other chairs. I believe that's a grill that goes for the outside. All right. There is power and USB left and right of the bed on your little nightstands. There's some nooks underneath there as well for storing things. There's also some cabinetry above, which is just shelves. Okay. Just shelves. Now, where would you hang your clothes? Well, you're going to hang your clothes over here in this cabinet. So depending on what you're going to do here, This shelf obviously is removable. You can see it moves, and you can do your hanging up there. But oddly enough, this area is prepped for a washer-dryer combo.
Nice.
So if you were to put a washer-dryer combo in there, I'm actually not sure where you would hang your clothes.
I'm thinking you got to fold them all.
I'm thinking you got to fold them all. There's a couple drawers here. You can, hang a few things there, I guess. And then your TV would go there. So I like the fact that there's a washer-dryer combo, but it sure would be nice. Let me just look a little bit closer for you guys in these cabinets to see if there was a hanging rod up top. There is not. Okay, so yeah. So the only hanging area for your clothes would be right there. So maybe a little tough for full-timers, but this might be a great weekend getaway unit. Right? Let us know what you think. I'll be honest, this is the first time that we've seen this particular floor plan, I believe, Lisa. I don't remember seeing this before.
I think it is. It's really cozy.
It is really cozy.
Just as long as you're no taller than 6'4".
Yeah, because it's a little bit tight up there for 6'4". So anyway, let us know what you think in the comments below. And until we see you again on the road, be safe.